Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create infinity in Infinite Craft. All right, so to start, what we want to do is grab water. Then afterwards, grab fire, create steam. After steam, you add another fire to create engine. An engine, you add another one of it to create a rocket. After that, you add another rocket, create a satellite, and then next what you want to do is add water under and add another water to the water to create a lake, and then you add the lake to the satellite to create Google for some reason, and then you add another Google to Google, create Googleplex, and then next add fire. It's going to create infinity. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.